The Northern Ireland housing market has shown resilience, with promising figures in the first quarter of 2025. The latest PropertyPal report reveals a buoyant market with steady price growth and strong sales activity. This positive trend is observed across various regions, indicating a healthy demand for properties. Despite economic uncertainties, the housing market appears to be holding its ground. The average house price in Northern Ireland reached £225,986 in the first quarter of 2025. This represents an 8% increase compared to the same period last year. Rental prices also surged, with an average monthly rent of £960, marking an 8.5% annual increase. These figures highlight the continued demand for both ownership and rental properties in Northern Ireland. The PropertyPal report indicates that approximately 6,200 sales were agreed upon during the first quarter. This number aligns with the long-term average, suggesting a stable market. Notably, properties sold at a faster pace compared to historical trends. The average time taken to secure a sale was 47 days, 16 days quicker than the historical average. This acceleration in sales reflects the high demand from buyers. Furthermore, buyer inquiries per property witnessed a significant 15% rise compared to the previous quarter. This surge in inquiries underscores the strong interest from prospective buyers in the Northern Ireland housing market. The combination of rising prices, brisk sales, and increased inquiries suggests a robust and competitive market. Derry City and Strabane emerged as the frontrunner in terms of annual house price growth. The region recorded a remarkable 14% surge, with the average house price reaching £204,409. This impressive growth can be attributed to several factors, including increased investment and infrastructure development. Other regions also witnessed commendable price growth. Ards and North Down, known for its desirable coastal properties, saw an 8.8% increase, bringing the average house price to £278,466. This makes it the most expensive area in Northern Ireland. Newry, Mourne and Down followed closely with a 9.1% rise, reaching an average price of £248,976. Antrim and Newtown Abbey, situated on the outskirts of Belfast, experienced an 8.5% increase, with an average house price of £199,537. These figures highlight the widespread nature of house price growth across Northern Ireland. Each region offers unique advantages, attracting buyers with varying budgets and preferences. Belfast, the capital city, remains a hub of activity in the housing market. The Belfast City Council area registered over 1,200 sales in the first quarter, demonstrating its enduring appeal. Popular areas within Belfast include Botanic, Titanic and Castle, which recorded a high volume of sales. Beyond Belfast, other areas experienced notable sales activity. Lurgan, located in Armagh, Banbridge and Craigavon, witnessed 175 sales, highlighting its popularity. Craigavon itself recorded 171 sales, indicating a strong local market. 5 wards in Ards and North Down, including Newtown Ards, Bangor Central, Ards Peninsula, Comber and Bangor West, featured among the top 15 busiest areas for sales. In contrast, Fermanagh and Omagh, along with Mid-Ulster and Derry and Strabane, experienced relatively lower sales activity. This variation in sales volume across different regions reflects factors such as housing affordability, local amenities and employment opportunities. While the first quarter painted a positive picture for the Northern Ireland housing market, economic uncertainties cast a shadow over the future outlook. Halved UK growth forecasts, new tax policies, and escalating global trade tensions could potentially impact the market's trajectory. Despite these challenges, some positive factors provide a sense of optimism. The labour market in Northern Ireland remains resilient, with earnings outpacing inflation. This factor contributes to affordability and supports market activity. Additionally, expectations of interest rate reductions provide further encouragement, potentially making mortgages more accessible. Jordan Buchanan, CEO of PropertyPal, acknowledges the mixed outlook, stating that strong underlying demand persists. However, he emphasizes the potential impact of economic uncertainties. The resilience of the labor market and potential interest rate cuts offer some reassurance, but their effectiveness in mitigating external pressures remains to be seen. In conclusion, the Northern Ireland housing market demonstrated resilience and growth in early 2025. However, economic uncertainties create a cloud of uncertainty moving forward. While positive factors like a strong labor market and potential interest rate cuts offer some hope, their ability to offset external pressures is uncertain.